Hey, good morning, guys. Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care, and today I'm going to answer a question from one of my subscribers. He states, "Why do I carry two phones?" And the answer is very, very simple, but I would explain why it is beneficial for you as a business owner to have two phones. Enjoy. What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care, and today I wanted to make a different type of video. Instead of having you sit and watch my face while I'm talking to you, I wanted to go ahead and just show you a before and after of a property that I'm going to do a quick cleanup and some shrubs, and we're going to focus basically on the shrub pruning, the hedge trimming on this property. And I want to talk to you about why I carry two phones. I had one of my subscribers ask, "Hey man, why do you carry two phones?" Well, the reason I carry two phones is because one is my personal phone and one is my business phone. Now, when I first started my business, I downloaded an app that basically had two different numbers, and that's the number that I gave to my customers, and then I had my private number. But what was happening is that I was getting calls real late at night, and it was a constant bothersome experience. When I was out there, the phone would ring, and I'd get texts and all that good stuff. So once I started growing my business, I decided to purchase an additional phone. Now, for those who don't know, your phone is a tax deductible item. You know what I mean? The money that you're spending for that phone, your monthly bills for that phone is tax deductible because you're using it for, it is a business expense. So keep that in mind. Also, if you have a separate phone, you have a separate number where as your business grow, you continue to manage your number and your text, and you can take pictures and send to your customers. You can input your customers' information into your phone, and once your customers call, you have their name right there. So instead of you saying Blaze Grass Lawn Care, how may I help you? You go, "Hey, Miss Smith, how's it going? How's everything going?" So yeah, and it gives you that a sense of, man, these guys know who I am, and this is a great service. So also keep in mind that I run my business from a storage unit, right? And that's going to be another video coming up soon. But we all don't have that one particular location where we're running our business from. So if we decide to buy another building or move from a building, you are ensuring that you have the same number. Case in point, most of you guys are probably running your business from your garage. And as your business grow, you're going to move on. So having your cell phone, additional cell phone with your number, gives you that flexibility that you can just pick up and move on. Now also, remember guys, like for instance with me, I'm to the point where, you take a family vacation, or, you have your hours of operation. My cell phone, my business phone, uh, I turn it off at 5. Well, it goes to sleep anyway. I have it set for it to go to sleep at 5 p.m., and then I can receive calls at 7 a.m. because I had one guy one time, older gentleman, I received a call at, I think it was 12 or 12:30 at night, asking me was I coming the next day to service his property. But again, this is what you get from a lot of senior clients. But yeah, guys, just think about it, and it's not a big expense. You don't have to go out there and buy you the latest iPhone as your business phone. Right now, my business phone is an iPhone, but is a I want to say older generation iPhone. And what I do is I grab my kids' older phone and I make them into my my business phone, and then I just kind of buy a new one and just give them the latest one, or I keep the latest one, or whatever the case might be. But it doesn't have to be the state of the line super fancy phone, as long as it's something where your customers can call you, you can text them, you can take pictures. It is a business only cell phone. All right, so guys, I hope I answered your question. And if you guys know of another reason why you should have a separate cell phone from your private phone, put it in a comment below so we can assist each other. And yeah. And by the way, at the end of this video, I'll show you the after, which turned out pretty well. All right, guys. So this is it. And in the spring, we'll put down a fresh coat of pine straw. There's a write down that I want pine straw for the winter. So yeah. All right. Have a great one. Pop Smoke. Peace.